skid loader forklift my ass. Go!
You good?
Yeah. Go! How is it?
Ah!
Oh, I will take it over.
Alright, yeah. Yeah, you can move it out of here.
Bring another one. Go!
We have our dump insert. Gonna put it in the dually.
Hey, over there.
We're gonna make a custom dump on this one. There's the dually, that's where it's gonna go on. Took the dump out. We have it on the dually. We already have it sitting on here. Just gotta check where the hose go. Just bolt it down. See where it mounts on the bottom. Just gotta wire it up and bolt it down. A couple screws. Then we're just gonna build the sides up. That's it. Stay tuned. Alright, we have the box in. A couple of bolts. We have to run the wires to the battery now. So you guys get a better view. So it's 2 bolts that go right here. One right here. You're going to have to drill into your bed. There's another one. Once those 2 are bolted on, go run the wire. This is the wire that's going to the battery. We ran it in the bed right here. Comes out the bottom. Now we're just gonna run it all underneath to the battery. Battery's right here. Once I run this, we lift the bed up, and then there's a couple more screws, a couple more bolts and nuts. Still had to make more holes in the bed. It'll be worth it. Alright guys, we have bolted down the 2 bolts that go in the back. Now we ran the cable, the wiring. We put in the bed through here. It's going down. Hope you can see it. I ran it all under in the frame. Pulled it up on there. There's one. Here's my power on there. These are the brackets. Drill a hole through your bed. Put a washer and nut through the other side. One on that side. We need 2 more in the middle. So I can hold it down good. Here is the other side. We made sure it cleared cleared the bumper all the way. There's our control. It's right here. We're still gonna run it inside. Looking good. There you go. Alright. Finally have it all bolted down. Show you guys. First bracket's right there. Second bracket. We had screwed in the back ones first, so those are good. Here is the middle one. So there you go. The wires I ran through there. So that's to run the control to the front. But I'll show you guys. This bar right here is for safety. Just in case you're working under it. So I had it up. There you go. Now we're gonna install the sides, pockets. Next video coming up. Alright. So now we just have to do the cap protector and the pockets. A couple there. And we'll be finished. Just put on the sides and the guard. I go up. Clears the bumper. Looks good. Here you have it, guys. Get the insert.